Cardano value equivalent to 4.8127 rands a coin. The present cost range, 4.5913 4.8522. The earlier day close, 4.8292. The change was 0.0165, 0.34%. Reverse rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost 4.55 rands, high 4.87, low 4.23. Cardano figure on Wednesday, June 21, cost 4.47 rands, high 4.78, low 4.16. In multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost 4.14 rands, high 4.43, low 3.85. Cardano figure on Friday, June 23, cost 3.74 rands, high 4.00, low 3.48. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost 3.72 rands, high 3.98, low 3.46. Cardano figure on Tuesday, June 27, cost 3.38 rands, high 3.62, low 3.14. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost 3.36 rands, high 3.60, low 3.12. In about 14 days Cardano figure on Thursday, June 29, cost 3.11 rands, high 3.33, low 2.89. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, June 30, cost 3.11 rands, high 3.33, low 2.89. Cardano figure on Monday, July 3, cost 3.10 rands, high 3.32, low 2.88. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost 3.22 rands, high 3.45, low 2.99. Cardano figure on Wednesday, July 5, cost 3.14 rands, high 3.36, low 2.92. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, July 6, cost 3.08 rands, high 3.30, low 2.86. Cardano figure on Friday, July 7, cost 3.16 rands, high 3.38, low 2.94. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, July 10, cost 3.13 rands, high 3.35, low 2.91. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, July 11, cost 3.26 rands, high 3.49, low 3.03. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, July 12, cost 3.27 rands, high 3.50, low 3.04. In about a month Cardano gauge on Thursday, July 13, cost 3.33 rands, high 3.56, low 3.10. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, July 14, cost 3.29 rands, high 3.52, low 3.06. Cardano gauge on Monday, July 17, cost 3.26 rands, high 3.49, low 3.03. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Cardano cost forecast for June 2023. In the first place cost at 7.38 rands, exorbitant cost 7.53, while low cost 2.89. The found the middle value of cost 5.23. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 3.11, change for June 57.9%. Cardano gauge for July 2023. In the first place cost at 3.11 rands, exorbitant cost 3.56, while low cost 2.43. The found the middle value of cost 2.93. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2.61, change for July 16.1%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.61 rands, exorbitant cost 2.85, while low cost 2.47. The found the middle value of cost 2.65. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2.66, change for August 1.9%. Cardano estimate for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.66 rands, exorbitant cost 2.91, while low cost 2.53. The found the middle value of cost 2.71. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2.72, change for September 2.3%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.72 rands, exorbitant cost 3.21, while low cost 2.72. The found the middle value of cost 2.91. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 3.00, change for October 10.3%. Cardano estimate for November 2023. To start with cost at 3.00 rands, exorbitant cost 3.05, while low cost 2.65. The found the middle value of cost 2.89. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2.85. Change for November 5.0%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at 2.85 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.54, while low cost 2.85. They found the middle value of cost 3.14. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 3.31. Change for December 16.1%. Cardano estimate for January 2024. To start with cost at 3.31 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.31, while low cost 2.59. They found the middle value of cost 3.00. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2.78. Change for January 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at 2.78 rands. Excessive cost 2.78, while low cost 2.18. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.52. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.34. Change for February 15.8%. Cardano conjecture for walk 2024. Before all else cost at 2.34 rands. Excessive cost 2.36, while low cost 2.06. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.24. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.21. Change for spring 5.6%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at 2.21 rands. Excessive cost 2.45, while low cost 2.13. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.27. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.29. Change for April 3.6%. Cardano conjecture for May 2024. Initially cost at 2.29 rands. Excessive cost 2.29, while low cost 1.90. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.13. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 2.04. Change for May 10.9%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at 2.04 rands. Excessive cost 2.50, while low cost 2.04. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.23. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 2.34. Change for June 14.7%. ZAR to ADA conversion standard equivalent to 0.2078 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.2061-0.2178. The earlier days nearby 0.2071. Change for now plus 0.0007 plus 0.34%. ZAR to ADA cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Cardano gauge on Friday, June 16, cost 0.219 coins, high 0.236, low 0.205. ZAR to ADA forecast on Monday, June 19, cost 0.222 coins, high 0.239, low 0.207. Rand to Cardano gauge on Tuesday, June 20, cost 0.220 coins, high 0.236, low 0.205. ZAR to ADA forecast on Wednesday, June 21.